Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on this device. So first open your web browser, then search for Chrome. Then you'll find the Google Chrome web browser on the official google.com website. Open this website, and here you'll find the download Chrome icon. Click on it, and the Chrome setup will begin downloading. Now open this file. Did you download it? Click yes. And wait until browser downloads and installs. Okay, we can close this Edge browser right now. Let's wait a moment, it will open in a while. Okay, so installing has begun. Let's wait until it installs. And once the browser is installed, it will automatically open. You can choose to sign in or don't sign in to a browser. You can set it as your default or skip this step. And right now you are able to use your new web browser. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.